have decided to take over various main district roads, MDRs, and state highways as national highways. And this in principle declaration has already been communicated by the Central Ministry of Road and Transport. Condemn this irresponsible attitude of the BJP government. Neither river nationalization nor making MDRs and state highways into national highways was discussed in any of the assembly sessions, including the last session of how many minutes? 15 minutes. 6 minutes. And when the Ministry of Transport and Highways have asked the state government, we should have replied, at least in the interest of the people. Goa and Government of India are now including this many roads, which are basically 90% of the roads of the state of Goa, as national highways. So it will affect, I am sure, more than 7,000 to 8,000 liquor outlets. It is going to bring misery to the people. And as I have said, government is totally insensitive.
Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India, the letter has come from Delhi stating that in principle declaration of the following roads as new national highways in various states of India, and this has come to Principal Chief Engineer in Panjim. In this there are 21 roads mentioned. These are all major district roads. There is no scope for developing this or widening this. If you go and look at all these roads, there is no scope for widening. ह्या रोडाचे सायडीक सगळी आमची गोंयकारांची शॉपां येयल्ली आहा, घरां आहा, आदली घरां आहा, आनी घराचे भायर कितकेशेच लोकांचे धाकटे धाकटे कुडके आहा जमनीचे, जे लोक आपूण घरां बांदपाचे आहा आमचे गोंयकार. आनी हो जो सर्क्युलर येयला, खंयचोच आमदार एका आपले हे दिवचो ना. Everybody will oppose this circular which has come for the outcome detail project report. We will write to the center that we are not interested in classifying all these 21 roads as highways. Anek ek odli gazal ha, Supreme Court's latest order. Supreme Court's latest order on banning of bar and restaurant. Restaurant bar, wherever there is a bar in a restaurant or wholesale wine shops, that will immediately get attracted to this once it is notified. Once it is notified as state highway, that comes under the purview of the Supreme Court order. So the entire Goa will oppose this tooth and nail, and I request all the new elected members je zatele teni ho issue poilo घेवपाक जाय, and first letter should go from the Chief Minister's Secretariat to the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, that we do not want any of the state MDR roads to be classified as national highways.